DAW's keyboard for professional mechanical keyboard, high-performance clicky tactile feedback, enhanced 104-key layout, Cherry MX blue switches, oversized volume knob, 2-port USB 3.0, full NKRO. Cherry MX blue clicky mechanical key switches with gold contacts and for an unmatched typing experience. Rugged construction to withstand 50+ million keystrokes with aluminum top panel. 2-port USB 3.0 superspeed hub 5 GB per second, 10x the speed of USB 2.0. Oversized volume knob, dedicated media controls and instant sleep button. Laser etched key inscriptions with bumps on the F and J keys.Firmware updatable.Elevated height 1.2 inches. Full N-key rollover with anti-ghosting. DAW's German engineering, durable build quality to instill confidence and precision. Magnetically detachable footboard to raise keyboard that also functions as a ruler. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.